said, come to the Yearzoo and work. And I said, I'm retired. I don't want to work. I just want to golf and do something else.
You're right. Okay, so what do you make? I saw you roll this in on a
Dollies.
dolly.
Yeah.
It's now still there. Is this off the SBD?
No,
one? Oh, okay.
it's off the A10.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you already have parts on it.
Well, Battle Creek is having an event because that's where the A10s used to be.
Okay.
And this plane was in Battle Creek. So Troy decided he wanted to have the rudders at the cloud tunnel over to the other building. So we've got to figure out how to, we came up with this contraption, and then we've got to put a piece here and here, and then legs down, and then they'll put a cover on the other side, and then it'll set on each side of the cloud tunnel so they can see the end number or the number. And basically all we're doing is just making us, we're gonna, so it kind of goes like this, just a little tilt.
Okay, so I'm trying to follow here. This was part of the...
This is the rudder assembly for the A10.
Okay.
There's two of them. This is one, the other one's out there yet.
Okay.
There's the legs that have got to go in the other one.
Okay.
And this is kind of, we're building it as we go. So
And
we'll put a 2x10 here, and then we'll put two legs coming down so this doesn't hit the floor.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
And then when the
Oh,
legs,
it's gonna. So is it gonna stand up?
yeah, and this is 10 and a half feet tall.
Okay,
Just
so
the
you're
rudder alone.
okay. So you're basically, this is a stabilizer,
Right.
that keeps the rudder.
Right.
It's in the
And,
vertical
yeah,
position.
We're gonna kind of tilt it. These are about 4 feet.
Okay.
And we're just gonna tilt, this actually isn't that heavy, but we're gonna tilt it back
Okay.
so that there's no chance of it going that way.
And then
This doesn't weigh that much, a couple 100 pounds maybe. But
it's awkward.
it's just awkward, right? And it's 10 and a half feet tall. So what we did is we figured we'd make these at least 4 feet, and then let them, and then by just adjusting the legs,
You could then tilt it.
yeah. And that would be safer. I mean, it would be harder to come over. And then Larry, he was stationed over there in the reserves in Battle Creek.
Okay.
The guy that's on Wednesday with me, and he found the covers over there. And what we were thinking, once we get it, all of this stabilized, standing up, which I don't know if we can do it here or not, because these are tall. But if we can, then we'll take those. We'll make a little ring affair so they can set them right here. So when they come through the door, cloud tunnel, you can see the old insignia of the unit.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, it's a process.
Everything here is a process, and all is just the way you've thought through it, and you're thinking about how to set it up there, what the final game plan is, what the objective is. It's all just. I like the way I think you said called work in progress. You know,
Yeah.
we get it partially and see,
Well-
does this fly? Does this fly?
Yeah.
and then try something else.
But what we do is usually just, yesterday,
How long have you been volunteering here?
about 17 years, I got about 16,000 hours.
Oh, wow. So 17 years, 16,000 hours, my rough math, it's close to 1,000 hours a year. That's about half-time life.
Well, a few years back, I worked quite a bit. I'd come in about 3-4 days a week.
Okay.
And my wife, get older, so I've been only coming in 1-2 days a week now,
Okay.
except like this project, I came in 3. So get this done and, do what you have to do, that's all.
That's right.
Got to take care of the boss first.
Good man. Good man. You're doing the right thing. Wow. Okay. Well, that's what makes your team so successful. You're willing to jump into other stuff.
Well, we've got a lot of different trades.
Right.
When I retired from GM, I was a machinery repair machinist. There's guys in here, electricians, tool makers, die makers. One of the guys that's working with us on Wednesday, he was a superintendent in Chicago, and he's a tin knocker. Another guy's he was an EMT in Chicago Fire Department.
Right.
He's got some good stories.
I bet.
And and then he was a glazer. So, I mean, there's all different. And the thing is, if you don't know how to do something, there's people that will show you how to do it. Like the guys over in the tool room. If you don't know how to do it, they'll show you. All you have to do is ask.
Right. Yeah, it's just, you can make anything here, whether it's out of wood, metal,
And
electrical.
we did, I was on the crew that did the 117. And before we started it, there was about 7 of us. Gordy was in on it. We sat down, discussed what we were going to do, and the biggest thing is the leading edges were made out of carbon fiber.
Right, I heard
We can't do that.
Right.
So we sat down and started hashing things over, and we ended up with a piano hinge.
I saw a sample of it out
Yeah.
there. I
Yeah, it
mean, what a
worked.
great way to just make the angle you want.
Infinite angle, and it took us, we talked it all over, and then what we did is, because it's retirees, and they go south and everything, the guy that was leading the job, who's passed away now, he was the chief on the 107 in Vietnam. That was his plane.
Okay.
Or the 104, I should say.
Yeah, the one that's, yeah.
That was his plane. Well, anyhow, he said, what I want, everybody knows how to do the job. So that's what we did. Everybody knew what to do. If somebody's gone, it didn't make any difference. And that's the other thing they do here. So, but it's fun. It's a good place to work.
Yeah.
This is a good place. I mean, when Pete and Sue started it years ago, I mean, that's when my kids were little then. We brought them over here. And then when I retired, one of the gentlemen that retired from GM before me, he said, come to the Yearzoo and work. And I said, I'm retired. I don't want to work. I just want to golf and do something else.
You're right.
So,
But you found a passion for this, that's for sure.
Well, I'm a pilot.
Ah, okay.
And I kind of aged out
Right.
because I'm 81 now.
Okay.